It is my honor and privilege to join you today as we celebrate a milestone in the history of the Zimbabwe Energy Regulatory Authority, ZERA. ZERA is a key institution in the country's economic development process, given its role in the licensing of energy suppliers, regulating the industry, and monitoring for compliance to set standards. Such a mammoth task requires an institution that has a robust, contemporary, and effective set of systems and procedures. Effective and efficient regulators across the world instill investor confidence, assure policymakers of transparent, and I want to repeat the word, transparent service delivery, and gain consumers' faith and trust as fair referees of different subsectors and economic actors. The certification also reinforces the country as ready for new investors. For we have an energy regulator that is responsive and transparent and values quality in all its service delivery endeavors. The approval process of energy licenses provides ZERA with an opportunity to reflect on its systems and to embrace innovation and adapt to international standards in order to cast the country as competitive and the destination of choice insofar as investment is concerned. This is where ZERA's ISO 9001:2015 Quality Management System certification comes into effect, as local and international investors feel comfortable dealing with organizations that comply with international standards in terms of procedures and processes. I'm advised that this certification is a standard that has requirements that define fundamental elements of the quality management system that entities should adopt in order to ensure that their services meet or exceed customers and stakeholder expectations. Adopting such quality management systems implies that processes are standardized, clearly spelled out, standardized timeframes, set and responsibility procedures clearly defined for everybody to know and understand. Ladies and gentlemen, the fact that we are celebrating the certification of ZERA's quality management system today is an endorsement that the systems at the regulator are indeed of international standards. That international level of service is what my ministry, the energy sector as a whole, and indeed the government aspire and will achieve. The national mantra of Zimbabwe is known to all of us. We are open for business, and it is best served and supported and sustained by such proven and certified international standard delivery rules, which ZERA is being congratulated for today. I'm confident that ZERA will sustain its new mode of international service delivery approach by continuing to improve the turnaround of its licensing processes for electricity and petroleum-related products and services, compliance assessment of its licenses, enforcement of approved standards in the energy sector, fuel quality monitoring, pricing system reviews, timely responses to stakeholder inquiry, complaints, and time-asked dispute resolution. The above areas sum up the core focus of energy regulation, and I'm happy that ZERA is proved to be a core in the economy through excellent execution of these issues, which constitute its core mandate. I'm also happy to note that such a culture of timely, effective, and quality service delivery is at play at ZERA, and it values the interests of independent power producers, IPPs, power utility, liquid petroleum licenses, liquid petroleum gas suppliers, and consumers of of energy products and services. Zera's ability to strike a balance between the interests of investors, that of consumers, and the oversight of role of the policy maker as well as regional and international stakeholders is remarkable and something that my ministry is proud of and expects to be maintained. Ladies and gentlemen, such a feat would not have been possible without the strategic leadership of Zera Board, headed by Dr. Kosa, who continues to provide guidance to the institution that has seen the ZWS ISO certification initiative being embraced. I also wish to congratulate the Zera management, and particularly the former Chief Executive Officer, Dr. Gloria Magongo, whom I now understand is a slave driver since I joined the ministry. Is now the Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Energy and Power Development for inculcating a culture of valuing quality management system among the former team. The certification would not have been possible without the enthusiastic and vibrant staff members at Zera, led by the Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Nazambani, the acting Chief Executive, who believed in the contemporary ways of doing business and has since embraced the culture of QMS. Government takes issues of quality service delivery seriously through its servant leadership philosophy clearly enunciated by His Excellency President E.D. Nangagwa. This is going to be a point of focus for the ministry henceforth. Government takes issues of quality service and expects that all players and stakeholders will align themselves to those expectations for the benefit of our public. Such a culture is expected to permeate every public sector and state enterprise and parastatals, for they are the key levers of the economy. This practice is also expected to permeate to those that import fuel, those that retail it, those that wholesale it, even to petrol attendants. If we do not achieve that particular aspect of it, then this certification come to naught. The issue is even more pertinent to the energy sector, which I oversee, whose responsibility is to ensure security of energy supply to the nation's social and economic life. State entities under my ministry cannot afford to snooze, given the systematic and symbiotic nature of the processes, which entail one part feeding into the other until the service is delivered. So the expectation of government, my own expectation as minister and the ministry, is that there will be interagency cooperation amongst our parastatals that are involved in the fuel and power business. We also believe that we should constantly communicate and engage. And I want to say it here that in the coming weeks, we will have to have discussions with yourselves as stakeholders in your various roles, so that we deal with the problems that we are facing in this sector as a collective, as a nation. So I would like you, when you leave, to give some thought to the recommendations that you can make to the regulator, to government generally, so that we have a national consensus around what we need to do. You will find my door and the Permanent Secretary's door open for discussions around this. I'm happy to note that this certification ceremony is the third to be held among agencies in the energy sector thus far. These include Petrotrade. I don't know if are they here? Yeah, oh, congratulations. National Oil Infrastructure Company of Zimbabwe. Oh, yeah, okay, congratulations. And Zuva Petroleum recently. As the Permanent Secretary indicated, I come from a regulatory background in the financial services sector. And we know that effective management of banks key to proper management of their clients. So the standards that are set for the banks by the Reserve Bank are expected to discipline other economic players beyond the banking sector. This is the expectation that we would like to see. This certification also cascading to those that have chosen to get into this area, and we will be having more and more discussions around standard setting. I know that many of you will be aware of some of the challenges that we are facing in this sector. We'll need to sit down together to find a resolution of the problem. It is my hope that the certified entities will ultimately serve as beacons among other state enterprises. Public service and the private sector on how service delivery should be done in this competitive era. I also wish to challenge other state entities under my ministry and the entire government structures to follow suit and be beacons of excellence. I'm told that the quality management system is but one of many segments that can be certified. Let me challenge ZERA here today to go full force and ensure all its systems are certified. I've been informed that ZERA is a stakeholder charter whose input and key service promises have been extensively debated and agreed upon by the licensed sectors, policymakers, consumers, ZERA management. Such a collaboration is progressive and essential as it enhances accountability and self-assessment. As such, this certification serves as a seal of approval and label of recognition of international service standards that ZERA renders with passion and pride and every day. Turning to the issue of service delivery, government is deeply concerned with the number of licensed companies who have failed to develop projects from concept to commissioning. Against that background, I would like to see a more streamlined procurement system for new projects in the future. But we are not going to stop there. We are going to publicize those that we have given our licenses to. We are going to give the public, because the public is entitled to know who has promised what to the country in terms of whether it's power generation, whether it's importation of fuel, and the conditions that are attached to that. So if you get a solar license, don't think you are going to sell it. We are going to be having very deep-seated discussions in the next few weeks to be very clear as to the targets and when we are going to be achieving what you said in your application for the license. If it is clear to us that we failed to meet the targets that are expected, we reserve the right to withdraw the license. The petroleum sector remains a challenge with multiple procurement companies, which also needs a transparent process to rationalize the participation of companies who have capacity to source own funds and provide least cost products for the benefit of the economy. Government remains committed to ensuring that it puts policies in place that will create an enabling environment for private sector participation, and that is our role. In this regard, the Minister of Energy and Power Development will soon be launching a renewable energy policy and biofuels policy, which I'm informed is going through a very comprehensive and rigorous stakeholder consultation process. And we will now take it through the necessary governmental approval processes.